Nako e setse e eme lenaane la moento ka fa phefong. Maitlhomo magolo ke go enta batho ba bantsi ka bonako jo bo kgonagalang. Fa ga o tlhoke go tswa mo sejanageng sa gago go amogela moento. Badiri ba boitekanelo ba gareng ga bao ba amogela moento.
Did you ever test COVID?
Gape go na le ba dingwaga tse di kwa godimo ga di le 60. O tsewa temperature le dintlha ka botlalo, o ntse o dutse ka phutulogo mo sejanageng sa gago. Moraga go leta nakwana.
Wow. Oh.
We've sitting here for 2 hours already, and that's a little bit long. What about all these other tents standing here doing nothing?
Even though we can see there's a lot of people coming, we are still having a little bit of challenges because we are learning as we go along. It's a new project for us. The first challenge that we are having is that with the IT, you know, the routers, the tablets, we don't have network. We as nurses are not actually trained to do with IT issues. We take care of the sick, but now we must also do the gadget thing as well, and also be able to give an injection. So there are a little bit of hiccups around there, the network issues, but we are trying our best.
We have done quite well as a district because daily on average, when we're looking at all our facilities, we are able to vaccinate more than 2,000 clients in each day. But we are saying we don't want to be there. That's not where we want to be. We want to increase this number quite substantially.